Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can revamp passing in Madden 27. Let's start with revamp passing style. First, here we need to throw bullet pass. For that, we have to put it till the yellow point. Just go till the yellow point and you'll be able to throw bullet pass. For the lob pass, you just have to tap like this and you'll be able to throw lob pass. Now for the touch pass, you have to go till the middle in the bar. This is how it will look like. Okay, just like that, you'll be able to complete revamp passing style. Go to the next one, which is revamp passing back shoulder pass. For this one, we gotta hold L2 on PlayStation and LT on Xbox. Along with that, we gotta hold down left analog stick downwards, and this is how it will look like. And yeah, you can see it is completed. We need to perform it one more time. So hold down L2, move your left analog stick downwards, and just like that, you will be able to complete back shoulder pass. Now the last one is pylon pass, and for this one, you gotta hold down L2 on PlayStation and LT on Xbox. Simply hold it down and wait for a few seconds and simply press R1 on PlayStation and RB on Xbox to perform the pylon pass. Let's try it one more time. Hold down LT or L2, wait for a few seconds and simply press R1 on PlayStation and RB on Xbox. And just like that, you'll be able to perform pylon pass in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.